Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in. Today's poster wanted to know how to make an outline of her foreground object here. So in order to do that, you need to duplicate the object without the background, and then you can add an outline to it. It's really simple, but first I'm going to do is I'm going to copy with the paint dropper the background, and I'm going to make a new layer and just fill it in with the same background. I'll pull that layer behind the other layer that we're working on, and I'll turn it off because we'll need to use that later on. Now all you have to do is select the picture, go to the magic tools, and make sure it's not too high. 25% here is probably pretty good because it won't erase any of the layer of the wings here. So I'm going to click here to choose the background and hit delete. That's all there is to it. Once I deselect it, now I can turn on my background again, and then with the tools, right-click on top of the picture, hit Edit Layer Style, and then we're going to go down here to Stroke. And then that's all we have to do is just change the stroke to whatever we like. Let's do this like, I don't know, like 5%. Hit OK, and that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it for a simple outline of your foreground object. This is Rich calling it quits for this tutorial, saying over and out.